It's Pan Sauce 101. I'm gonna show you how to make it right after you sear your steaks. It's a super quick way to elevate any steak dinner. Now, I'm not saying that every steak needs a sauce, but I just want to show you how easy this is. I'm going to show you a Parmesan cream sauce. I'm starting with fresh parsley, fresh garlic, and fresh shallot. Everything gets minced really finely, and it's gonna go into the pan that I'm searing my steaks in. And that's very intentional because all of the flavor that's left behind in the pan deserves to be utilized. Don't be afraid of it. The biggest tip is to not have your heat on too high. So think of it like this. You wanna clean your pan, right? So adding some good butter, all of that shallot and garlic, you're sauteing all of that flavor off the bottom of your pan. Adding the heavy cream, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, fresh herbs, all of that just brings it all together. And in the time it takes to actually make this sauce is the perfect amount of time for your steak to be resting. And look at that, in a matter of minutes, your steak is taken to the next level.